The NEBULA X1 Projector with accessory pack and gimbal stand brings the ultimate cinema experience directly into your space. From the design to performance, this projector combines style, functionality, and convenience in a single compact device. Its premium matte finish and solid construction make it feel high-end, while the accessory pack and gimbal stand enhance portability and flexibility for any setup. When it comes to visuals, the NEBULA X1 truly shines. Full HD projection with advanced LED technology delivers sharp, vibrant, and accurate colors, making every movie, show, or game feel immersive. Brightness levels are impressive, allowing clear viewing even in moderately lit rooms. The automatic keystone correction ensures that the projected image remains perfectly aligned, no matter where the projector is positioned. The gimbal stand adds a level of versatility rarely seen in portable projectors. Adjusting angles is smooth and effortless, allowing projection on walls, ceilings, or any creative surface. This eliminates the frustration of makeshift setups and gives full control over positioning. Audio performance is solid for a compact projector. Built-in speakers provide clear highs, balanced mids, and a surprising amount of bass. For more robust sound, Bluetooth and HDMI options make connecting external speakers quick and easy, giving a fully immersive experience whether for movies, gaming, or presentations. The accessory pack adds convenience and portability. Everything needed for setup, travel, and protection is included, making it easy to carry and use in multiple environments without worry. Despite its lightweight design, it remains durable and resistant to everyday wear and tear. The software interface is smooth and intuitive. Navigating apps, streaming content, and mirroring devices is simple and fast. Its smart interface is similar to an Android TV, providing a familiar and responsive experience. The setup process is quick, and with minimal adjustments, it's ready to deliver crisp visuals and clear audio immediately. Cooling performance is quietly efficient, allowing extended use without distracting fan noise. The projector is also energy conscious, avoiding excessive power consumption while keeping the internal system cool. Versatility is a key strength. This projector works for entertainment, gaming, or professional use. It adapts easily to home theaters, casual movie nights, and presentations. Its portability and flexible setup, combined with the gimbal stand, make it an excellent choice for multiple locations. Overall, the NEBULA X1 Projector Bundle offers remarkable value. It provides high-quality visuals, rich sound, intelligent software, and flexible setup options in a portable and stylish package. For anyone seeking a cinematic experience without the bulk of traditional home theater systems, this projector delivers on all fronts. For those looking to elevate home entertainment or require a flexible and portable projection solution, the NEBULA X1 Projector with accessory pack and gimbal stand is an outstanding option. To purchase the NEBULA X1 Projector with accessory pack and gimbal stand, visit the link in the description below.